Hi friends, today's topic is obesity. We will see in brief what is obesity, what are the facts and prevalence of obesity, what are the causes, how to identify it, and what are the treatment options available for obesity. So friends, let's start. Obesity is nothing but an accumulation of excessive amount of body fats over a period of time, which if ignored can increases the risk of health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and various types of cancers. Now there is a difference between obesity and overweight. Person is said to be overweight if the body mass index is more than or equal to 25, and if the body mass index is more than or equal to 30, then person is considered to be an obese. Let's understand the facts about obesity and overweight. Around 8% global deaths are happening currently due to obesity. There are around 13% adults suffering from obesity worldwide, and around 39% adults are overweight. And interestingly, 1 in every 5 children are overweight currently. Now, as per the CDC, that is Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, National Health and Nutritional Examination Survey has been done for obesity. They have divided the people according to the age group. First group was between the age of 20 years. Second group between the age group 20 years to 39 years. Third group was from 40 to 59 years. And last, above 60 years. As per this survey, prevalence of obesity is more observed in age group between 40 to 59 years, followed by above 60 years age group. Moreover, this survey also revealed that women are more prone to obesity compared to men. Now, how to identify whether we are obese or not? There is one simple method called waist circumference cutoff level. In men, if waist circumference cutoff level is above 94 cm, then a person is obese, and in women, if the level is above 80 cm, then she is considered to be an obese. There are various causes of obesity. Some of them includes consuming high amounts of fats and sugar, less exercise and physical activity, lack of sleep, and women gets obesity particularly during pregnancy. Now, if we fail to control our obesity, or if we fail to control the accumulation of excessive amount of body fats, then we may have to undergo various serious consequences, which includes heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, musculoskeletal disorder, various types of cancers, and even infertility. Now, there are simple methods available to control obesity, such as limiting our daily energy intake, increasing consumption of fruits and vegetables, and doing regular physical exercise. If obesity goes beyond our control, then we might have to undergo following treatment options, which includes weight loss surgery, weight loss prescription medication, and behavior changes techniques. So friends, we have discussed in detail about obesity. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.